Hey guys, and welcome to Aussie Reviews. Well, today what I'm going to show you is my ultimate hamburger. Now, who doesn't like a really good hamburger? This is the way that I make mine, and I think you'll absolutely love it. So let me show you what you need. Some high quality mince. Now this here is my own home kill, so I know exactly what's in it, but obviously if you don't have access to that, you can go to the supermarket and get some high quality mince. A few slices of bacon, a couple of bread rolls, some extra virgin olive oil, an onion, a tomato, some lettuce, your favourite cheese. Now I don't mind Jarlsberg, I find it really nice, but if you've got a favourite one, then you can just substitute that in. Some butter, some whole pickles, some mayonnaise, some tomato sauce or ketchup as it's known in the US, and some mustard. So first things first, we just want to peel and cut up the onion and get that on the stove. So I normally just cut it in half like so, so don't cut it up finely, just enough so you can start to caramelise them in the pan. So get yourself a small pan, add a dash of olive oil, and add in the onions. Now when this gets a little bit hotter, we'll turn the heat down just so it can caramelise nicely. Now with the mince here, I just basically make the beef patty just by rolling around your hands, because these obviously are going to be flattened out. So, you know, depending on what size you want to make them will depend on how thick the patty is, you know, or how thin it is. You know, it's up to you, whatever you want there, but you'll see how I do it. Then cut up your tomato, cut some cheese, tear off some lettuce. Now we'll make the sauce. So we'll grab 3 pickles, like I'm going to make a couple of burgers out of this, so this will just depend on how many you're making. So just chop them finely. Add mayonnaise to the bowl, tomato sauce, mustard, then add your pickles and give it a good stir. And you'll see around that beautiful sauce, we've just got those nice little chunks there of pickles. Just tastes absolutely beautiful on the burger. Now a dash of olive oil on our main pan. Now we'll get our patties on. What you want to do is just push it down to the thickness that you like. So if you want real thick patties, you know, leave it at like that. Or if you want to thin them out a little bit more, you know, just push them down a bit harder. A little bit of salt on. A dash of pepper. So you just want to keep cooking these just till you start seeing it come through. So there's a little bit of raw on this side, and that's when we'll flip it, and it should be nice on the other side. As you can see, our onions are coming along just nicely here. A little bit of brown on it. You know, we could turn the heat down a little bit, but I think it's just right where it is. It's pretty low, so that'll caramelise quite nicely. So you just want to turn them around and just coat it with that oil. Okay, so you can see a bit of blood coming through, and it's pretty much cooked all the way through. So this is where we want to be able to flip them over. You see that, just a nice brown on the other side. Perfect. This is where I like to just put a couple of strips of beautiful Jarlsberg cheese over them. Just let that melt in. These are ready to come off and just put on the plate, and we're just going to throw the bacon on here. Okay, so I've got another pan here, no oil in it because I've just buttered the buns or the rolls, and we're just going to sear them nicely. As you can hear, our bacon is sizzling away just nicely. Look at that bacon, just beautiful. So you won't overcook that, we'll just take it off now. Let's check these buns. Look at that, just a nice light golden tinge to them. That's nice. So we'll take them off.
And we've timed this perfectly. As you can see, the onions are nice and caramelized now, so we can take them off as well. Okay, so let's plate these up. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Some of this beautiful sauce on top. Bit of lettuce and a bit of tomato on top. And last of all, our onions. My mouth is salivating. So there you have it, guys. My ultimate burger. If you really like this video, check out my other cooking videos. Please give it the thumbs up and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.